Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from Home Lecture. Thank you for watching. So today we will do a comparison between application software and system software. After this. So let's say this is your first experience watching my video. I would like to encourage you guys to just click the subscribe button below here so that I can buzz you time to time with my new videos. Back to our topic just now, system software and application software. So before that, it would be better, I think in my opinion, it would be better if we can, we can discuss about the definitions of software itself. Software is referred to the program that used to run the computer. So we can consider our computers like a body and software like a brain. So computer without brain is like a zombie. Yeah, if you can imagine how zombie walk, behave. So in other words, means our computer is useless without software. So there are two types of software that we should know. First is a system software. Make it simple. System software is referred to the compulsory software. Remember the keyword compulsory. Without this software, our computers can't work. This system software acts as an interface between hardware and user. For example, the hardware, the computer itself, and us as a user. There are three types of system software. Number one is operating system. Second is language processor. Third is device driver. The best example of operating system or system software is a Windows. Meanwhile, when we talk about application software, remember the keyword for system software is compulsory. Meanwhile, for application software, it depends to the user. For example, let's say I'm a teacher. So what are the software that I need? Microsoft PowerPoint for my presentation, for example. Let's say I'm working as a video editor, for example. I need Final Cut, Premiere Pro. And remember one thing, application software is referred to the program that run only one task. For example, just now calculation, we will use Microsoft Excel. We want database, we need to use Access, and same to the presentation, we need PowerPoint and etc. So let's say we do have computers, we call as a body, and then we do have system software, which is we consider as a brain. Now we need application software, which is we can call as a knowledge or skills. So hopefully this video helped you to enhance your understanding about this application software and system software. If you need further explanation or you have any question, please just drop your questions in the comment section below here. And again, consider to subscribe and see you guys again in home lecture. This is Faindra Jabbar and bye.